Hey guys, welcome to Calico Radio. I'm Taryn, and today I'm going to be breaking down a project I made last summer and using that yarn to make something new. So last summer I made the buttercup top by Daisy and Dime. I crocheted it and it turned out super cute and I really enjoyed making it, but it's just too heavy. I definitely learned to use like fingering or sport weight yarns rather than DK and worsted for crocheting because they're just really yarn eaters and they make the top super heavy. So I am going to break that top down and I'm going to make a top or maybe a dress using this pattern. I just finished this top. This is the Theodore Bralette by Kolibri by Johanna, and I really love it. It's super light and it only used 100 grams. So this used literally a third of the yarn that I used to make the other top. So I think I can probably get a dress out of it. Hey buddy, you wanna say hello? Let's get going, Mac, huh? Okay guys, we're gonna get started here with the buttercup top by unraveling it. And I'm gonna use this needle just to help me kind of pick out all the knots because there's quite a few at the top here. There was like this nice like lace pattern up at the top as you see. And yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of little skeins or balls from this, but that's fine. We're just gonna try and keep everything as tidy as possible and avoid any big knots. Okay, this is all of the yarn from the buttercup top. It amounts to about 300 grams. And as you can see, the yarn kind of looks like ramen noodles. It's very curly. So to get the yarn to lay flat as it originally did, we're going to first wrap up the yarn into skeins. And then after that, we're going to pop it in the bathtub and we're going to wash it. This will allow the yarn to relax and kind of return to its original state. The yarn is washed, dried, and made into skeins. I guess that's what you say. I have a bunch of these little guys, and I weighed them, and I do in fact have 300 grams, so I think that should be enough for the dress version of the Theodore Bralette. Modification-wise, I don't intend to do anything too crazy. That top I was wearing at the beginning of the video was a size 1, and my idea is that I'm going to cast on for a size 3 for the lower part of the dress, and then once it reaches about my hips, like the widest part of my hips, I'm going to start decreasing until I get to a size 1. I finished working the bottom section of the dress. I'm just gonna give it a try on now. But yeah, it looks pretty good. These are definitely a bit harsh. The decreases at the moment are a little bit harsh, but yeah, I think they will soften out once I block it. But now I just need to knit a size 1 shirt essentially for the top like I did last time, and then it's done. Alright guys, it is done. I am very happy with it. The only thing that's a little bit weird is these decreases on the side, which I showed you before, but when I go from the size 3 to the size 1, I think I decreased too rapidly, so it created this kind of like weird looking bump, but I hope with blocking that kind of relaxes. It also is going to probably grow in length because it's cotton and it is a bit heavy, but not too much. I do plan to buy a little white slip to wear underneath it. Right now I'm just wearing some like biking shorts, but yeah, let's give it a soak and see what it looks like. Okay guys, the dress is blocked and this is the finished piece. I'm kind of having a hard time finding a place in the apartment for you to see the entire thing, but I think you can kind of see the end here. Yeah, you can. Cool. Yeah, this is it. This is the entire piece now that it's blocked. It definitely got a little bit longer, but I really like it. It falls in a nice place, and I just have like a little white slip underneath. These edges definitely softened up quite a bit. You can still see them a little, but hardly at all. So yeah, I'm very happy with it, and if you can believe it, I had some left over. So it actually took more yarn to make that crochet top than it did this entire dress. In the end, I used 570 meters or just under like 3 skeins of this Cascade Ultra Pima yarn, and it's a DK weight. So I'm very happy I repurposed the yarn and made something that I'll actually wear. So thanks so much for coming along on this journey, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.